Hi, I'm Caitlin from Generations Homecare System, and I have Amanda Palmer here with me, and she is going to walk us through all of the tools available in Generations that will help you track the vaccination statuses of your workforce and your clients. So let's get started.
Let's start in the caregiver record. And this is our caregiver list. I'm going to select Tanya. And she is vaccinated. So how we can tell is at the bottom left of our screen, we see COVID vaccination. I have the box checked off. And then we have a drop-down list for you to select which vaccine she received, when the first vaccine date was, second, and then if there was a third. You can also upload a vaccination card from documents on your computer. If the caregiver refused the vaccine, all you'll do is check off this box and provide a reason.
Okay, very cool. And it's the same for clients as well.
Yes, exactly the same.
Okay, perfect. So say that this caregiver did refuse the vaccine and they are in a state that allows weekly testing in lieu of a vaccination. How would you be sure that your caregiver is remembering to do that weekly COVID testing?
Yeah, let's look at a caregiver that has refused a vaccination. I'm going to her record, and we can see here that she's refused and the reason why. We'll want to go to reminders and set up those weekly reminders for the COVID vaccine. I have set up a weekly reminder description in my master list, and it is called weekly COVID test. And then you'll select the date that the COVID test needs to be done. So I'm going to select it for next week on Tuesday. You'll want to keep the remind box checked and select save. So now this will be in the caregiver's reminders in the app. Once it has been completed, all you'll need to do is come in here and select the edit button, mark it as completed, provide the date and notes, and update, and then create another one.
Okay, easy enough.
Yeah.
So as vaccination policies evolve and as we get more health information from the CDC, where is a good central place to store documents that you want to broadcast out to your workforce?
Great question. Okay, so you'll do that in document management, and you can do it for both clients and caregivers. I am going to show you from a caregiver's perspective. So here's where you can add all of those documents. You'll just search for the document on your computer and it will live here. Once you have added this document, as a best practice, you'll want to go to your message center and notify all of your caregivers that you have uploaded a new document for them to review and send that out.
Can you show us how in Generations you can schedule caregivers based on their vaccination status?
Yes, you will want to go to caregiver search, and you'll filter out all of the appropriate information, what client you're scheduling with, date from through. The most important part will be then selecting that the caregiver is COVID-19 vaccinated, and it will filter to only show the caregivers that have the vaccination.
Thank you, Amanda. And for anyone watching who wants to see Generations in more detail through a live demo, you can visit our website, homecaresoftware.com, and connect with us via live chat. There's also a variety of videos highlighting key features and Generations. So thank you for your time. We look forward to talking with you.